Hey, this is Photography for the Rest of Us. My name's Carrie, and today we are going to talk about a cheap, fast, easy DIY hack to keep your camera protected in the rain right after this. Alright guys, so I have worked extensively as a travel photographer, and with that I've picked up a few hacks along the way of multi-purpose items that I keep in my camera bag because they're useful when I'm on the go. And like with anywhere, weather is always fickle when I'm traveling. Some days it's sunny and beautiful when I wake up, but by lunchtime it's pouring down rain, and I still have to get that shot. So one of the things I really love to carry with me is a Ziploc bag. Now this seems obvious, right? Ziploc bags are great for all purposes. I keep cables in here, I can put my wet socks in there, I can store snacks in there, but a big one when the weather turns sour is I can protect my camera. So this is a really cheap and easy and lightweight hack for something to keep in your camera bag that is useful. So this is all we're gonna do. I have my camera here with an 85mm lens on it, so it's a decent size lens because I want to show you guys that this works. And I have a Nikon D850. Whatever camera you have works. I just want to let you know that this is a bigger camera because it's a full frame, so this works for the bigger cameras, which means if you have a smaller camera or a mirrorless, this works even better. So all you're going to do is grab a pair of scissors or knife or nail clippers or whatever you happen to have out on your shoot, and you're going to cut a hole in the bottom of your Ziploc bag, right? So then we're going to open the Ziploc bag. It's like craft time with Carrie. La la la, craft time with Carrie. We're going to open the Ziploc bag and we're going to put it around the edge of our lens, stretching the plastic so it creates kind of a seal on there. You see? Right? So nothing's covering my lens, but it's protecting the outside, and we're using that lens hood to kind of keep it in place because I've stretched the plastic over the top of it. And then you just pop your camera. I stretched a little too much in this demo. And then you just put it over the camera, right? And it's protected from the elements, but you can still see all your settings. You can still get to it. Now, would this protect your camera in a hurricane? No, but I also don't recommend you going out and shooting in a hurricane. The camera bodies nowadays are weather sealed, the lenses are weather sealed. They do a really good job with just a little bit of condensation as long as you dry them off immediately afterwards. But this will help protect it when it just all of a sudden starts raining and you're getting those direct water droplets onto the camera, and it certainly doesn't hurt, right? So hopefully you like my little hack today. It's super easy DIY, but it's very convenient and it can really help you out in a pinch. Go ahead and hit the like button if you did enjoy this. If you haven't already, oh my gosh, subscribe to my channel. I have new videos coming out every Tuesday, so hit the notification bell so that you don't miss them, because I'm going to tell you something honestly. I put up these random videos all the time. I wasn't even going to record this one today, but a friend asked for a tip, so I figured I might as well share it with the rest of you as well. I can't wait to see your images when you use the hashtag photos for the rest of us, and I'm going to share them on Instagram, and I can follow and comment along. And happy shooting!